Introducing the Adroit Edge Gateway software from Adroit Technologies, a global leader in operational technology-focused products. The game-changing software product from Adroit Technologies, enabling you to securely and cost-effectively extend your operational technologies to the cloud. The Adroit Edge Gateway really is the digital transformation software tool that companies have been looking for. The product itself is built on the Adroit SCADA architecture and can be deployed within a network or in a secured DMZ. It only pushes data, adding a level of security to your cloud strategy. On the OT side, it uses the tried and tested Adroit object-based I/O server called the Agent Server. And with over 40,000 installations around the world that run critical manufacturing and process plants, you can rely on the stability. Using the communications drivers to your PLC, the data is scanned into agents that allow another level of processing. This gives you true edge pre-processing of OT data into relevant and important data you would like in the cloud. Our agent architecture saves enormous complexity of post-processing in the cloud. Using the configuration tool, you then construct a JSON message from the tags in your I/O server and push the message into the cloud provider's endpoint, also known as a data lake. This then gets transformed into a column data store. Each cloud provider uses different tools, but users essentially do queries and build models on the data and display the results as required. As we said earlier, the product takes advantage of the Adroit communication drivers that talk to virtually every commonly used PLC used in OT applications. With seamless integration to PLCs, you can easily transfer pre-processed data to major cloud service providers such as the Adroit Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and generic web services, or simply expose data using OPC UA or MQTT. We will be doing a demonstration later in the video. The Edge Gateway software allows you to make a connection using one of our microservices to a cloud provider of your choice. It allows you to configure data sources for OT data, then build a JSON message, which either on time or trigger gets transferred to the cloud. No more talking, let's do a demo. To demonstrate the Adroit Edge Gateway product, we are using an OPC batch simulation server that batches 2 ingredients, adds water, mixes the ingredients, heats the batch to a set point, and then discharges the batch. The OPC simulation server is connected to an Adroit agent server shown here on the right-hand side. We have an analog agent open and scanned to the batch number in the OPC server. When the batch is running, the analog agent represents the batch number in the batch OPC server. We will take the batch data, including the line, product name, batch number, weight and power used, and via the Adroit Edge Gateway product, we will transfer this information into the Adroit Cloud and show the results. We have created a few dashboards using the basic tools available in the Adroit Cloud. We have 2 dashboards, one called Endpoint Data Dashboard. Clicking on the Edge endpoint, we can see the data coming through into 2 grids. The first shows the raw data, and the second represents the data once it has been transformed into our column data store. You can also see the column names match our JSON message we configured in the Adroit Edge configurator. The second, called Edge Batch Demo Dashboard, shows the data in a more typical form. The top left element shows the product distribution by name across all values. The second element shows the average batch weights. The bottom left element shows each batch energy used per batch, and the final element shows the individual record batch weights over time. The great thing is because the data is all based on our column store. It is all linked. This means the dashboard is interactive and knows how to filter based on any selection. Clicking around the dashboard shows that the dynamic filtering makes the value of using the tool very obvious. And we hope you have got enough of an introduction to the Adroit Edge Gateway and the Adroit Cloud offering. Start your digital journey today with the Adroit Edge Gateway, where industry securely meets cloud.